Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher. I'm Pawan. In this tutorial, I'm going to show the process of creating a VPN hotspot connection on your device using root access, which allow anyone to connect and browse internet through your VPN without setting up anything on their devices like setting up IP addresses. So let's get start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay friends, first of all you need to connect your favorite VPN software, and as the next step you need to open your hotspot connection of your device and you need to create a username and password like this. As the next step you need to open your Play Store and download this VPN hotspot application to your device, and you need to open that application. When it comes to here, you need to grant the root permission to this application and grant all permissions with this application asking you to grant. Click on the setting button of this application and scroll down. Now you need to turn on this use system configuration for temporary hotspot option. Now again you need to click on here and turn on temporary Wi-Fi hotspot. Now click on allow all the time option again. Now you will be able to connect to this hotspot connection from another device and browse internet through your VPN connection without setting up anything on that devices. So let's see about that from using my another device.